What's up guys, it's Chris. Such a beautiful weather today. So you guys know that we installed a new exhaust on the bike, and I told you guys that we would do a test, like a sound test and a flyby test. So that's what we're gonna do today.
I'll be that Asian motherfucker, muchos what I'm repping.
And make sure that we can actually hear it properly. I've seen some other videos about it on YouTube. They don't quite sound like on point, if you want to say. Like I've watched some before actually purchasing these, and you know, it was, you know, when you're buying pipes, you know, like you kind of want the good sound for your bucks, right? So anyway, today what we're gonna do is we're gonna break it down. We're gonna get all the sounds that usually what people are looking for: red lines, you know, bouncing RPMs. We're gonna do flybys, okay, low RPM rollouts. So anyway, shall I stop talking and let's dive right into it? First off, we're gonna start by turning on the engine, obviously. So we're gonna try to get a cold start. I've been letting the bike get cold for a bit. Hopefully you guys can get an idea how now it would sound like. Afterwards, we're gonna get it warm, and then we'll start revving the hell out of it. We're gonna get it to red line, make it bounce a bit so you guys can hear how that sounds like. When all the stationary revving is done, what we're gonna do is we're gonna do slow rollouts, okay, slow acceleration, and then we're gonna do some quick flybys, RPM flybys, and you guys can all get excited and get all your balls dropped and swipe your credit card online, right? Right, anyways, let's dive right into it. So guys, that's the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. If you guys enjoyed this, subscribe to my channel and give this video a like. Be very much appreciated. Guys and girls who's riding out there, Be safe at all times. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.
I'll be that Asian motherfucker, Mocho's what I'm repping. Though I'm not the killer, but this beats that I be killing. The flow that I be spitting. Mellow voice when I'm sweet talking to your bitch. Smoking, drinking with the homeboys in this bitch. Spark up, get high, blush up my eyes. Time just fly by.